That's good. That's a good map. But this area is...
It's literally straight ahead. It's literally just go straight.
It's like 20 minutes on foot from here.
Yeah.
I don't want to take the bus because there's already so much going on here.
No, the street is already blocked, so you can just walk freely.
Oh,
so
it's
you can't even.
blocked.
It doesn't feel summery kind of light. It looks like a winter light.
Yeah.
I love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
No, digital looks a little bit strange.
On film, it's heaven.
Yeah, on film it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you really shot it off.
Yeah. Shit.
Now they're starting to work on the electricity lines.
Yeah.
That would be so funny.
Wow. Damn.